A warm welcome to my channel Vatsalyam. A big thank you to all those who supported my channel, subscribed it, liked it, and shared a comment for me. Thank you. I value your support. So let's see what is the reading going to be today. The reading is about how the coming week of October, 18th to 24th of October, is going to be for all of you. There are 3 paths that I have kept in front of you today. See which path attracts you, and I shall see you at your reading. The timestamps are in the description box. Also, if you want to support me on Instagram, the link is in the description box. Welcome to your reading group 1. So let us see how the week is going to be. So what I can see through the cards, it says that the week is going to be a little challenging for some of you in terms of relations. It can be with your family, at work, your friends. So here arguments can take place in this week, which can create quite a negative environment, differences between you and others. So if you find yourself in such a situation, it is advised to stay calm, to stay composed. Be more of a listener in this week, in the situation. Try and understand what other person is trying to share, other person is trying to tell you. Have more of an understanding and a non-judgmental approach. This will help you to keep the situation under control for whatever time you can, with your wisdom, with your maturity. If you feel that the situation is not in your hand, in your control anymore, please feel free to seek a guidance from a wise, matured person, from your family or your friends or anywhere in your neighborhood. Or you can also visit a counselor so that the difference in the relationships, it doesn't grow more. It is resolved then and there. To prepare yourself for the week, it is advised that you meditate, and this will not only help you to connect to your own self, it will bring a positivity, a calmness, a balance in your mindset as well. The week suggests you to create a balance in your life. It will help you to be more calm. It will help you to find answers to anything that is going on in your life. Maybe the dispute situation is an ongoing event which is coming with the week. So be little calm and be more understanding, and the answers will come to you once you start meditating and connecting to yourself. This connection will also help you to make right choices, will guide you to take the right decision for yourself. I can see that there are people who will be on a crossroad to take a decision or to make a choice. Now this decision or a choice could be like somebody returning back into your life, a proposal coming back to you, or a new proposal coming to you, a new offer coming in your way, or people coming back to you in your life. So this intuition, this connection will help you to make the right choices and bring you clarity in what step you should take. Also, the week indicates travel or a plan for traveling. It can be a short travel, it can be a weekend, sneaking out or something like that. Also, there is acknowledgement, appreciation, growth in someone's life, in respect. It can be that you are gaining that respect, that recognition at your workplace or amongst your society, your family. Some of you, I can see, will be walking away from walking away from a situation that is not serving them now, people who are not serving them now, a belief that is not serving them now, anything that is not helping you in your growth, or you have moved on already from a belief system, you will now take it out from your life. So this is also happening. Health issues are recovering in this week. Some people who are waiting for results, I can see that result will be coming this week. It can be in education, for an interview. It could also be a business proposal that is coming to you. It could be reunions happening in your life again. So resolving conflicts can take place in this week for yourself. So those results or return are also expected here. Any opportunity that you had lost earlier, or you missed it, or you felt that it is not going to be that helpful, it might return to you. Now that opportunity could be in a business proposal where you had a proposal of partnership, or it could be at work, a new job coming up. Anything that was gone earlier is returning in this week. I can also feel that engaging in spiritual practices, daily routine prayers will also help you. In India, we do Havan. So if Havan is there, you can do that. And that will create more positivity, more positive environment in your workplace, in your home. Some of you might celebrate a ceremony, do a ritual, or a traditional practice in this week. This is also indicated here. The week is good for teachers, for writers, and all those who are into spiritual practices where intuition is of prime importance, because this week is going to help you with downpour of intuitions that will help you in getting your answers and getting guidance for your choices, to make your decisions. And if you're spending too much time on social media, and the week suggests you to take a break, focus on more important things in your life. You would like to spend more time with yourself during this week, is what I can feel from the cards. And also there can be some renovations happening at your workplace or at your home. The week indicates this. Some kind of planning can also take place, either in the family to organize a function or any traditional thing, or to buy anything, something that requires more than 2-3 people. Some planning can be there. Teamwork can happen at your workplace. So now let us see what should be the focus for the week. So the focus should be on gratitude and perseverance. So gratitude is the card of third eye chakra, which helps you to enhance, to grow your intuition, and perseverance is the card of solar plexus chakra, which helps you to grow your confidence, balance, and heal your emotions. So the week also suggests energy like this. Be grateful to all that you have, to all the people who are there in your life. Understand each person's role that they play in your life. So pay a gratitude towards them, pay gratitude towards divine for blessing you with your life, with all the things that you have in your life. Pay that gratitude. And perseverance, you've been working hard. Now is not the time to give up. The week is motivating you to keep working hard. You will get the result when it's the right time for you to get the result. So keep working hard. Let's see what positive changes are coming. Wow, the death card. So it says, as I told you, that you will be walking away. You will be taking out all the beliefs and things, situations, habits that were not serving you anymore. So this change is coming into you, bringing in more positivity into you, releasing those blocked energies now. So the week is going to be a beautiful week with positive changes happening. Let's see what blessings are coming your way. Blessings. So the card is of blessings. So here the divine is telling you that you are divinely protected. Be clear in this week what you actually dream and desire. The universe is helping you to achieve those desires, those dreams of yours. The divine is also telling you that blessings are continuous. You might not realize them immediately, but gradually you understand, you realize them. A little advice that a guidance that the divine is sending, that your true blessings and happiness are within your heart and your soul. So feel blessed, be happy, and have a beautiful week ahead. Hope this guidance helps you. Thank you. Hello group 2, welcome to your reading. So let's see how is the week going to be for you. So here what I see, that For some of you, there can be engagement ceremonies happening, marriage taking place for some of you. And so some of you might be traveling to your hometown where your family is for your ceremonies there. Some will start something of their own this week, maybe a business or something online, working from home basically here. Some might plan to buy a new house, some might get their house renovated, and some might also shift their house this week. Family is going to be of importance this week. Maybe a family member needs your attention, your focus, your care, your time. Maybe they are not sharing what they are going through, but they might need your attention and care. So be little observant to your family members this week. Travel is indicated. It can be a business travel, a personal travel. It could also be, like buying. You can also plan to buy a vehicle of your own this week. Some of you will be taking charge of your own life, your own work now. You will be moving in the direction of completing your projects, your deadlines, your goals this week. Some are ready to take up new responsibilities. So you might be dealing with a struggle of striking a balance between work and your personal life here. If some of you are spending too much of time at your workplace, it is advised to please create a balance at your workplace and your personal life. Your family needs your attention as much as your work needs. So this is a guidance and advice for you for the week. Some of you will get a good business or financial idea where you will be investing your finances, to have a growth in your finances, a new source to generate more income for yourself. Some are ready to begin something new, as I said earlier. But this week is also asking you that if you're planning to begin something new, you've chosen the right direction, but be patient and give your hard work to it. Bring lot of, confidence within yourself and move in the direction. You're moving towards prosperity. You have taken a pause right now, but now is the time to take your steps towards that direction. Communication is going to be important. If you are heading a team, or if you are a boss somewhere, if you have to begin something of your own and you have to communicate with people, so be very cautious of how you are communicating, because clarity is very important. If you don't communicate with clarity, people are not going to understand what you really want to share with them. So be clear in whatever you are communicating this week. It's a good week of inflow of creative ideas, thoughts, new projects, new thoughts are going to come this week. So make the best use of it. Some people will get a mental clarity if they were dealing with something that was not very clear to them of how would they like to go about it, what are they planning to do, what steps should they take. So a mental clarity is going to come in that direction for you. Health is going to be important. Please focus on your health. Some of you might be advised a surgery this week. This is also a week to improve your karmas. Donate, share what you have with others, help the needy people around you. This week will also help you to identify, recognize that how much you have and how much you can share with others, to create that balance of saving for yourself and giving to others. So this will also come to you. This week is a wake-up call for some who are not paying attention to their life purpose, to what they actually want in their life, how they should go about it, towards their health. Basically, they're not organizing their life, their time, their priorities. So this can be a wake-up call for you to move into the direction that needs your attention. And for some, it can be clarity, as I said, is going to come, and you will be now able to take any decision that was pending, that you were unable to take. A final decision, you have to close on something, but you were unable to decide and do that thing. So this week is going to help you with taking a final decision for whichever aspect is required. Success is coming this week. Achievements is coming. Recognition is coming. Appreciation is coming for you. It's a good week for teachers, for writers, for students. Some of you will invest in, learning something new for yourself. Be it joining a workshop or a session or a course for that matter. You will read a lot of books. I can also see documentation happening in this week. Paperwork. Maybe this paperwork is for a new business, or it could be for travel, that you're traveling, so that can be there. So paperwork, documentation is expected. For spirituality, it's a good week. Utilize this week to connect to divine and bring in more clarity and calmness within you. Balance yourself. If you're too much on social media, this is the week to take a break and pay attention to more important things in your life. If you are planning to do something, keep it a little secret, keep it to yourself until it's the right time to share. So, and this week, many of you will have downpour of intuitions. So listen to your intuitions, take its guidance. There can be temptations happening in this week. Be little cautious. There might be a secret admirer of yours who's keeping a watch on your social activities. The person can be at your workplace, a stranger who observes you, or in your neighborhood, anybody. Be a little cautious and do not trust anybody blindly. So, trust your intuition. When you meet a stranger, you come to know whether the person is right for you or not. You get those vibes. So connect to your intuitions this week. Some of you are ready to take a new step in your life, bringing your plans into actions this week, starting a new job for yourself. So a good week overall for you. So be more patient, alert, be more forgiving, and be more, away from temptations this week. Let's see what should be your focus. Impartiality and grief. So the impartiality card is again of your crown chakra card, which will help you to connect to divine. So connecting to intuition, because your intuition is in a way divine's guidance that comes to you. So connect to your intuition, connect to your spiritual practices that you do, have faith in divine. Also, impartiality is saying that this week be more of a listener. When we enter into a situation, it is important that we don't enter into that situation with a judgment or, already telling that, okay, this person is right and this is wrong. But when you are into a situation, try and understand both the sides, listen to them carefully, and then help them to take, to decide who is right and who is less right. You can be one of them. So be a little more patient and listen to others so that you are able to understand what they have been going through. The grief card is heart chakra card. So maybe because the week is about forgiveness, so maybe you have blocked your heart chakra. Maybe you've lost a pet of yours and it has been because of someone else. So you are unable to forgive that person. So here the divine is telling you, take your time, go through this process of grief and gradually fill your heart with love and forgiveness. So release all that is blocking your heart. Let's see what positive change is this week bringing for you. Denial. So the card says that you will now able to come out of the denial mode and become more accepting, be it towards your fears, your insecurities, your own actions, your confusions, your mistakes. And when you become more accepting, you become more positive. You are ready to correct your errors, your mistakes. You are ready to face your fears. You are able to gather that courage within you so that you can move ahead with positivity and take each step, tackle each fear of yours, each insecurity of yours, each mistake of yours, and keep moving towards more positivity. So beautiful change coming for you. Let's see blessing coming your way. Courage. So this week is going to fill you with courage to forgive people who have hurt you, who have brought this grief into your life, to courage to face your fears, your insecurities, your decisions, and move ahead towards more positivity. I hope the guidance, the messages in this reading are helpful to you. Thank you. Welcome to your reading group 3. So let us see how is the coming week is going to be for all of you. So I feel the week is full of action for some of you, celebrations happening, new opportunities coming, good news, some unexpected, some expected news coming your way, new opportunities coming your way. I feel there is something that is going to change within you, something new is going to take birth within you. So a positive change is coming in this week for you. For some, there is travel also indicated in this week. So let us see now what tarot cards are telling us in detail. So for some, I feel that you will receive news of being pregnant, you yourself, or it could be a news from the family. There could be engagement happening, marriage ceremony happening for some of you. And so celebration can be around that. A new job offer is coming for some of you, and a new proposal coming for you. Some people who are more on social networking sites, online business or something like that, they will have some new ideas, new projects coming in for them, and a news, an information, something that you were expecting or you were not expecting is coming in speed towards you. Travel is indicated here. Maybe you will travel to meet somebody, or it can be a business travel also. Person you will tie a knot with can be a kind of person who is kind-hearted, loving, caring, emotional. He is well settled, stable, secured. Maybe it's a proposal from another country. And for some of you have been having a guide in your life, a wise, mature person who's always been there, helped you out, and shared his wisdom so that you are able to find solutions to your problem. And maybe this is the time where you have not been on talking terms with him or haven't met him for long. So a travel can be towards meeting him or to resolve your conflicts with him. Could be anything of this sort. Here some of you will reflect on the past failures you've gone through, opportunities that you've lost here. But this week is bringing in a new opportunity for you. So be sure you don't miss it this time. This week, it's time to execute your plans into actions. You will find yourself taking steps towards achieving your goals, bringing your dreams into realities, taking those steps towards achieving what you have always desired to. A week to grow in your awareness. Some of you will be maybe reading a lot of books or joining courses or attending seminars. So it could be related to your work, your project, your self-growth, or also in the field of education. A young member in the family can begin a new job or an internship or a part-time job to earn money for themselves. Okay, the week also insists you to bring a balance into your energies. Just focus where you are spending most of your energy. Is it more on a giving side, that you've been giving a lot to others and that is blocking your energies, that is making you feel exhausted? Or is it in just taking too much from others and not giving them? So balance that energy. Have you been physically working too much and you're getting tired? So a balance between rest and your physical work. If you've been sitting and working too much, using more of your mental abilities, and physically you're feeling stretched, you are feeling heavy or something like this, then you need to do more of stretching exercises to release those blocked energies from your body. So just focus where your energy is being consumed and try and bring a balance in it. For some, I feel that you are feeling stuck somewhere, maybe unable to take a decision, decide a path for yourself, feeling lonely, being stretched between family members, whom you should take side of, whom you should support. So a state where you feel you're all tied up and unable to decide which way to go. So this week, stay hydrated. Drinking a lot of water will help you. Meditating with a bowl of water in front of you will help you. And walking near a water body, it will also help you to balance your energies, connect to your intuitions, which will help you, guide you to choose the path, take the right decision for yourself. For some, if you're celebrating news of pregnancy, marriage, a new job, anything, also keep a check on your drinking addiction. Is it under control, or is it exceeding the boundaries you've set for yourself? So just check on that habit of yours. So this is what the week was bringing for you. Now let's see what focus you need to have in this week. Okay, so wisdom and complacency. So here complacency is the card of root chakra card. So all the fears, all the insecurity that you're holding within, this chakra helps you to heal it. This chakra helps to bring a balance in it. If you are struggling to get a job, this chakra helps you to balance it and bring those necessities in your life. So meditate, eat red foods. This will help you to, ground your energies. And also the card is saying that if you have been living others' dream, this is the week to live your dreams, to live your passion, something that has always given you happiness. Refresh your memory and bring that dream and passion back into your life this week. It is important for you to maintain a check, a balance in your emotions. So this is the time to give something to yourself. Wisdom, it's a heart chakra card. Your heart is blocked. It needs to release that blockage. So this week, the universe is telling you that you have the inner wisdom. Use that wisdom to make right choices. Stop making old choices. Come out of that circle of making that repeated choice for yourself. Your inner intuition is guiding you to take new choices. So use that intuition's guidance and make new choices for your own personal growth and the growth that you need in your career, in your worldly matters. So let's see what positive changes are coming. For the other two groups, I had just one card, but for your group, I got two cards. So I've taken both of them. Okay, so failure and growth. So here, as I said, some of you are in that past energy of not grabbing the opportunity or losing that opportunity, or past energy of failing something. So here the positive change that is coming, that after you are gaining that opportunity, you will understand the learning you got from that experience. That is going to help you to move ahead in life. And growth, here universe is asking you, is blessing you with this beautiful change, that you should expand your knowledge, your awareness. That will not only help you to grow in your work, your education, but also as an individual, you will be able to grow and gain that wisdom. Now let's see blessings from divine. Again, I got two cards, and rest of the groups I got just one card. So here, cultivation. So is it music that was your dream, your passion, and you've not been in touch with it or not been able to follow due to any reason? So here divine is asking you to bring back that routine of yours of connecting to music. It will not only bring peace and happiness to you, but also heal your soul. So cultivate this habit of sitting with your favorite music instrument or your music, listening to music, anything that will help you bring that balance in your life. Second is innocence. So here the divine is asking you that this is the week to share and show your love, your gestures, your respect to all those who actually deserve in your life. So if that fatherly figure of yours has not been on talking term with you, show that love and gesture to him, and he will become just the way he was with you. Universe is asking you, divine is asking you that if you do this, you will not only win over the heart, but also the blockage from your heart will be released. Maybe this is the wisdom of self-realization, as I told you before, is going to come to you this week. Divine is blessing you that changes are going to come in your job place, in your relationships, in your situation, and even in the life direction that you want to take. So I hope the messages and guidance in this reading are helpful. Have a great week.